Enabling Face ID on your Optum app can enhance your security and make accessing your account more convenient. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Open the Optum app. Launch the Optum app on your mobile device. Ensure that you are using the latest version of the app for optimal performance. Step 2. Sign into your account. Enter your login credentials to access your Optum account. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one before proceeding. Step 3. Navigate to Settings. Secure your account before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use Assert to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Select Face ID option. In the Settings menu, look for the Security or Login options. Find the Face ID feature and tap on it to begin the setup process. Step 5. Follow the on-screen instructions. The app will provide prompts to guide you through enabling Face ID. Follow these instructions carefully and ensure that you allow the necessary permissions for the app to use your device's facial recognition technology. After completing these steps, Face ID should be enabled for your Optum app, allowing for quick and secure access. If you encounter any issues, consider checking the app's help section or contacting customer support for assistance.